Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is just a quick update to my my computer that I'm currently in the stage of updating again. But you know, those things take money, and right now things is not looking too good. But anyway, um, what I have so far is my last PC, which was really pretty old. I had a 680i uh board that just went out on me. I guess it was self-aware and it just went out on me. So I had to do a little bit of updating. And the bad part is, like, once I updated the motherboard, I had to update the processor, I had to update the RAM and all this other things. But anyway, I got a P55 EVGA. I'm not sure if it's for the Win 200 or 200 for the Win. Either way, it's that board. Um, I couldn't afford a i7 at the moment, so what I did was get a iCore 5, the quad core one, and it's pretty good. I don't really have too much to complain about. I did have an 88 GTS Superclock EVGA card, and now I have a 98 GX2, which is shit. I would recommend staying away from that card, even if you're gonna buy it used, which I did, and I thought it was a good investment, but that thing got like outdated pretty quick, and the graphic drivers for it is pretty shitty. One thing I notice about this card is that when I run games, even though this card says uh, it has 1 gig of video memory, and I don't know, maybe it's my system or I don't know what the problem is, but it's only saying 512, so I'm not sure what's the problem. I did get a new water coolant system, which is the Corsair. I don't know the name of it, but I did get it, and it sucks ass. I don't like it, and I'm gonna change that pretty soon. It's like closed, where you don't have to fill it up and all that stuff there. And I mean, if you look, that's my idle temp right there, and that's just idle. I do now. This is a 2.6. I do have it overclocked to 3.2, so I'm not sure if that's what's causing it to heat up so much, or maybe it's the position of the computer. I don't know, but this thing sucks ass, so I would recommend staying away from that and just go with a better cooling system than this. Uh, Behind here is some more Corsair, 4 gigs of DDR3. I had to get the cheap one. I know it's like PC 800, 8500 at 1600 megahertz. I do have it overclocked to like 1700, and that's only because the motherboard, if you don't set it to the XMP profile, it only uses 1333. But the thing I don't like about this motherboard, and it's very expensive, it's about $299. But what I don't understand is the one that's just a step up from this actual motherboard, the multiplier is unlocked, so you can overclock the CPU and the RAM on its own. But this motherboard, for some reason, the only thing you can do is change the frequency, but it also makes the RAM go up. Like, you can't do either or, and I don't like that. Like, the multiplier is locked in this board when this is a very expensive board. Why would they lock the multiplier? So I don't know. If someone knows about this board that knows how to get past that, where I can just overclock the CPU by itself and the RAM by itself, leave a comment or something, because I don't know how to do it. I'm not a professional. This is not the greatest build in the world. I mean, it's pretty messy in here. So, I mean, I plan on cleaning all of this up, though. So, just got to give me a little bit of time. I did have to update my power supply as well. This is an Ultra X4 modular. I think it's an 850 watt, if I'm not mistaken. I mean, I can't see the other side, so if I'm not mistaken, it's 850 watts. I like this. This is very nice. I don't like the cables too much, but they work. Over here, I have a Velociraptor. I don't know if you can see that because it's pretty dark, but that's a 150 gig Velociraptor, 10,000 RPM. This godforsaken awful thing here is a terabyte drive, and it's, oh god, it's the worst. It's like the slowest thing ever. I mean, I wouldn't recommend them to anyone. It's very slow. um, I just use this to put my, store things. This is where, you know, all my games and OS goes, as far as when they're installed. But I have this partition to where it has Windows 7, Windows XP, and I was gonna put Linux on there, but that's another story. Anyway, I'm gonna show you my voltage, my frequencies, and just let me know if there's something I'm doing wrong on here. Okay. Oh yeah, one more thing. This thing went out. I don't know what happened. The screen just stopped working, but this is actually a Blu-ray burner. I had this when it first came out. This is a Blu-ray burner, and I do plan on getting a new case because I'm not liking this case anymore. I do want that Antic case. That one's pretty nice. The full tower. There's my UX280p. Another one of my gadgets. Oh yeah, and I just purchased a watch phone. This one here. It's a pretty good phone. I don't know if you can see the screen on there. It's kind of bright. But I like this one out of all the ones I bought before. Anyway, okay. Now the board did come with a tuning utility, Elite, something like that. I noticed most newer EVGA boards come with it now. Now, like I said, I do have it overclocked to 3.2. The multiplier is at 19, and the RAM, or the bus speed, is at, I don't know what that is. Okay, now if you look on here and you see anything wrong with this, you let me know. I did change some of the clocks. Like, they were all on 9. I changed some. I know lower is better. I know the latency was 9, but now it's 8. And if you see anything on here, if you know about this board plus the RAM, just let me know. Okay. Now, here's the voltages plus the core temps. But I mean, look at that. This is idle. I don't have anything running. Nothing. Just Firefox and this thing. And look at the temps. It's horrible. Okay. So if you see anything on there, let me know. And overclocking. Well, that's not really showing anything. But here it is. This is the voltages on this thing. So I'm pretty sure that's the culprit. That has something to do with why this is running so hot. But I will be updating soon. I will be getting a new TV, a 46-inch Aquos. So stay tuned for that. And like I said, if you see anything wrong, just let me know, and I'll try to fix things up. Alright, thanks for watching.